Hello everyone, today I'm going to start a quick tips of Blender series. So let's start with 3D cursor. First I'm going to delete the default cube and you can see the 3D cursor. So in here you can click this cursor and change the orientation of 3D cursor. Unfortunately, after this change in the position of 3D cursor, it's difficult to center it to the world's origin by clicking like this. So how we going to snap this to the world's origin? So for that purpose the easiest way is go to object, snap, go to cursor to world origin. So now it's in the world's origin. That's how we easily doing the cursor to point out to the center. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.